hydraulic cylinders. Separate vertical side and fore and aft loads were applied to the gear so that the load components could be varied, and tests for several conditions with different ratios of vertical, side, and fore and aft load could be run using the same setup. During the main gear tests, failures occurred in the main column just below the drag brace attachment, the top cap at the main pivot shaft, the main drag brace and auxiliary drag brace at the end attachments, and the drag brace nut. These failures were attributed to the effects of extremely high heat treatment, which resulted in low ductility in the material. By reducing the heat treatment in the same areas and adding material where necessary, the gear strength was increased to 100%. Other failures occurred in the main landing gear pivot shaft fitting and the side brace attachment fitting on the rear spar, both of which are aluminum forgings. The reinforcement of the pivot shaft fitting consists of a steel plate to reduce the thrust load on the aluminum bearing retainer boss, and the side brace fitting was reworked so that the aluminum attachment bosses were replaced with steel bosses. With these reinforcements, the structure supported 100% of the required ultimate load. After completing the landing gear test, the wing was tested to destruction, using loads for the configuration with jet engines on the outer wings. However, a failure occurred in the wing center section at 87% design ultimate load. In previous tests, this structure had supported 100% ultimate load, so the failure was attributed to damage incurred during the test on the main landing gear. A new wing center section was installed and the destruction test repeated. This was done because of changes in the center section structure and because of the extreme value of knowledge of any excess strength which may be in the wing. The new structure supported 105% and failed at 110% ultimate load. The primary failure occurred in the dagger fittings and the upper surface stringers at wing bulkhead station number 4 on the